Understanding, a landmark event, enhancing your English vocabulary. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, a landmark event. This term is not just about landmarks in the traditional sense, but it's a metaphor used in various contexts. Let's dive into what makes this phrase so special and how you can use it effectively in your conversations and writings. A landmark event refers to an extremely important or significant event that marks a major change or stage. This term borrows the idea of a landmark being a physical marker that stands out in a landscape. Similarly, a landmark event stands out in history or in someone's life due to its significance. It's often a turning point or a moment of great achievement. To understand the usage of a landmark event, let's look at some examples. Historical milestones. For instance, the signing of a peace treaty that ends a long war can be a landmark event. Personal achievements. Graduating from college or getting your first job can be considered a landmark event in an individual's life. Technological advancements. The invention of the Internet was a landmark event in the field of technology. Now, let's learn how to incorporate this phrase into your daily language. Remember, it's used to signify something significant. Here are a few examples. The discovery of the vaccine was a landmark event in medical history. Her appointment as CEO was seen as a landmark event in the company's history. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding the phrase, a landmark event, and how you can use it in different contexts. Remember, language is not just about words but the ideas and histories they carry. Keep exploring and adding such vivid phrases to your vocabulary. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.